If you haven't swapped your conventional yogurt out for Greek yogurt, well, what are you waiting for? The best Greek yogurt brands offer endless creaminess, plenty of tang, and lots of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that nourish your gut microbiome.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Greek yogurts. So let's get started. Number 1. Wallaby Organic Aussie Greek Whole Milk Yogurt. Because of that significant sugar bomb that can sneak into flavored yogurts, Rothart says she will typically pick a plain variety and then add her own flavor by topping it with fresh fruit, honey, nuts, oats, or granola. This option from Aussie company Wallaby uses organic milk and packs a protein punch of 15 grams per serving. Number 2. Chobani Plain Non-Fat Greek Yogurt. We love Chobani's plain non-fat Greek yogurt because it's versatile and checks all of our nutritional boxes. It can be used in everything from soups to baked goods or even as a snack topped with fruit and granola. While not organic, Chobani's yogurts are certified gluten-free, kosher, made with non-GMO ingredients, and the plain variety has 0 grams of added sugar. Number 3. Siggi's Plain Greek Yogurt. If you're a fan of creamy, thick Greek yogurt with simple ingredients, Siggi's is a great option for you. The Wholesome brand is widely available and offers a selection of products including non-fat, low-fat, and whole milk yogurts as well as drinkable yogurt and kids products. While not certified organic, all of Siggi's products are made with non-GMO ingredients and without artificial sweeteners or colors. Siggi's plain 0% milk fat yogurt contains 15 grams of protein and 4 grams of naturally occurring sugar from lactose. Number 4. Chobani Less Sugar Greek Yogurt. If you're not a fan of plain yogurt but are conscious of your sugar intake, Chobani's Less Sugar Greek Yogurt is perfect for you. With tons of flavors like Alfonso Mango, Fino Lemon, and Monterey Strawberry, there's an option for every taste preference. The subtly sweet yogurt is made with non-GMO ingredients and contains 30% less sugar than the brand's other yogurts. The 2% milk-fat yogurt contains 12 grams of protein per 5.3-ounce serving. Number 5. Light and Fit by Dannon Greek Non-Fat Yogurt. One of the lowest calorie picks on the list, Dannon's Greek Light and Fit Yogurt packs an impressive 12 grams of protein per flavorful serving. That was our list of the top 5 best Greek yogurts just for you.